Hey, can I ask you something? Have you ever said something in English and then immediately thought, wait, that sounded wrong?
Oh, all the time. Like, you know what you want to say, but the words come out and they just feel off.
Exactly. And the worst part? You don't even know why it sounds wrong.
Because nobody ever told you.
Right. So today, we're going to fix that.
We found 10 English mistakes that make you sound unnatural, even if your English is actually pretty good.
These are real mistakes. Mistakes that real English learners make every day.
And honestly, some of these surprised even us.
Let's get into it.
Okay, so first, we want to say something important.
These mistakes don't make you bad at English. They just make you sound a little unnatural.
Like, imagine this. You're talking to someone in English. Your grammar is fine. Your vocabulary is fine. But something feels strange.
And the other person can't explain it either. They just feel it.
That feeling? It usually comes from small mistakes. Things like word order or one wrong little word.
And when you fix these mistakes, your English suddenly sounds real.
Like a native speaker. Or at least very close.
So let's fix them, one by one.
Starting with number 1.
Mistake number 1. I am agree.
Okay, so this is one of the most common ones. People say, I am agree with you.
And it sounds very unnatural. Here's why. Agree is already a verb. It doesn't need am with it.
Think of it like this. You don't say, I am want. You say, I want. Same thing here.
So the correct version is, I agree with you. Simple, clean, natural.
I agree with you. I totally agree. I agree. That's a great idea.
Real life example. Your friend says, we should watch a movie tonight. You say, I agree. Let's do it.
Not, I am agree. Just, I agree.
Okay, mistake number 2. She is very beautiful person.
This one is interesting because the words are all correct, but one tiny thing is missing.
Can you hear it? She is a very beautiful person.
There it is, the word a.
In English, when you talk about one person or one thing, you need a or an before it. A beautiful person. A good teacher. An interesting idea.
It's small, but without it, native speakers immediately notice.
She is a really good friend. That was a great movie.
Real life example. Someone asks, what is your teacher like? You say, she is a very kind person.
That A, it's small, but it makes your English sound smooth.
Mistake number 3. And honestly, this one surprises people.
I want to go to the home.
So here's the thing. With certain words in English, you don't use the.
Like home. Like school. Like work. You don't say the home. You say home.
I want to go home. She's at school. He's at work.
No the. These words are special in English.
I'm going home. She's still at school. He
went to work early.
Real life example. Your mom calls. She asks, "Where are you?" You say, "I'm on my way home." Not, "I'm going to the home." Just home. Clean and natural. Okay, number 4. I did a mistake.
We hear this one a lot, and we completely understand why. In many languages, you do a mistake. But in English, you make a mistake.
Make a mistake. Not do a mistake.
This is one of those things you just have to remember. In English, you make mistakes. You make lunch, you make decisions, you make plans.
I made a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. We all make mistakes.
Real life example. You write the wrong answer on a test. You say, "I made a mistake. Let me fix it."
And honestly, this phrase is really useful because making mistakes is part of learning.
Speaking of which, mistake number 5 is coming. And this one, people use it every single day.
Mistake 5. I am boring.
Okay, so this one is actually kind of funny because it means something very different. Paul, if you say, "I am boring," it means you are a boring person. Like, people fall asleep when they talk to you. But what most people want to say is, "I am bored," which means you feel bored. The situation is boring to you.
So, I am bored equals I feel bored. This is boring. This thing is not interesting. I am boring. I am a boring person.
Big difference. I'm so bored right now. This class is really boring.
I'm bored. Let's do something.
Real life example. Your friend asks, "How's the movie?" You say, "Honestly, it's so boring. I want to leave."
Not, I am boring. Unless the movie is actually you.
Okay, moving on. Mistake 6. Can you explain me this?
So this is a grammar pattern mistake, and it's very common.
In English, explain doesn't work like that. You can't say, "Explain me." You have to say, "Can you explain this to me?" Or simply, "Can you explain this?"
The word to is important here. Explain this to me.
Or even easier, just say, "Can you explain? I don't understand. Can you explain?"
Can you explain this to me? Could you explain that again? I don't understand. Can you explain?
Real life example. Your teacher says something difficult. You raise your hand and say, "Sorry, can you explain that again?"
Natural, simple, perfect. Mistake 7. I have 25 years.
Oh, this one. In Spanish, in Portuguese, in French. You say, "I have X years." But in English,
You are your age. I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years.
this is just one of those differences. Languages work differently. And English says, "I am 25," or "I'm 25 years old."
I'm 22 years old. She's 30. He just turned 18.
Real life example. Someone asks, "How old are you?" You smile and say, "I'm 22." Not, "I have 22 years."
Just I'm 22. Short, easy, natural.
Okay, we're almost at the end. But the last 3 mistakes?
These are the ones people make even after years of learning English.
So pay attention.
Mistake 8. Yesterday, I have seen a movie.
Okay, so this is about time words. When you use yesterday or last week, you need simple past tense, not have seen, just saw.
Yesterday, I saw a movie. The word yesterday tells us it's finished. It's in the past. So you use saw, not have seen.
Have seen is for when you don't say exactly when. Like, I have seen that movie before. No time word, just sometime in your life.
But with yesterday, always simple past.
Yesterday, I saw a great movie. I went to the gym this morning. Last week, she called me.
Real life example. Your friend asks, "What did you do yesterday?" You say, "I stayed home and watched Netflix."
Past tense. Clean. Done.
Number 9. I am very excited for meet you.
Okay, so 2 problems here. First, it's not excited for. It's excited to. Excited to meet you.
And second, after to, you use the base form of the verb. Meet, not meeting.
So the full correct version is, I am very excited to meet you.
This matters a lot because people say this phrase a lot. In emails, in meetings, in interviews, first impressions.
I'm so excited to meet you. I'm excited to start this project. She's excited to travel next month.
Real life example. You're meeting someone new, maybe online, maybe in person. You say, "It's so nice to finally meet you. I've heard a lot about you."
That sounds confident. That sounds natural. That sounds real.
Last one, mistake number 10. She suggested me to go.
Okay, so suggest is tricky because in many languages, you suggest someone something. But in English, it doesn't work that way.
You can't say, "Suggest me to go." You say, "She suggested that I go." Or, "She suggested going."
Both are correct. But suggested me to go? Not correct.
Think of it like this. Suggest is like giving an idea. You give the idea to the world, not directly to the person.
She suggested going to the cafe. He suggested that we leave early.
She suggested going for a walk. He suggested that we try the new restaurant. My friend suggested watching this show.
Real life example. Your coworker says, "What should we do for the meeting?" You say, "I suggest keeping it short, maybe 20 minutes.
Confident, clear, natural.
Okay, let's do a quick review. 10 mistakes, 10 fixes.
Say these with us.
1. I agree, not I am agree.
2. She is a beautiful person. Don't forget A.
3. I'm going home, not to the home.
4. I made a mistake, not did.
5. I'm bored, not I am boring.
6. Can you explain this to me?
7. I'm 22 years old, not I have 22 years.
8. Yesterday, I saw a movie. Simple past with time words.
9. I'm excited to meet you, not for meet.
10. She suggested going, not suggested me to go.
10 fixes. 10 steps closer to natural English.
Here's the thing. These mistakes, they don't mean your English is bad.
They just mean nobody explained these specific things to you before.
And now they have.
Language learning is like building a house. Every small fix makes the house stronger.
One brick at a time.
And today, you fixed 10 bricks.
Your English is already better than it was 12 minutes ago. That's real.
So here's your challenge. Pick one mistake from today, just one.
And use the correct version 3 times today in a message, out loud, anywhere.
Just 3 times. That's it.
Tell us in the comments, which mistake surprised you the most?
We read every comment. Seriously.
And if this episode helped you, subscribe, because we make episodes like this every week.
Simple English. Real life. No shame.
We'll see you in the next one.
Keep going. You're doing great.